We like to use YouTube as your home base because you've got hundreds, maybe thousands of videos there eventually where people can just stay with you, get to know you, and really want to find a way to interact with you personally. Once they know your channel really well, and don't be surprised if they watch your videos for quite a while before they reach out. In general, YouTube is a great way for people who are a little more shy or reserved to check out your business and who you are personally and see if they would like to work with you. So for these reasons, I'll just boldly say that I think right now YouTube is the best place for entrepreneurs to be to have their video marketing. You can freely put ads there in addition to content marketing, which is a little more conversational and having you teach. Why? I'm reiterating, you have a fixed library that people can find and go through for years and years of evergreen content. Every single video can become the beginning of one of your funnels to sell some product, and it'll stay there for years and years.